Hello, my name is Wansonyari Saputra, student number 1933019. I am from the Health Science Faculty, Nursing Study Program. Here I will explain how to become a professional nurse. I have to aspire to be a professional nurse. Master communication skills. Good communication skills are important to make patients feel comfortable. For example, when serving patients or when controlling patients, a nurse must maintain stances and speech to the patients. Next, control emotions. It also requires intelligence in controlling emotions, and of course will also get negative nicknames from patients if I am upset. For example, first nurses, talkative nurses, and many more. Of course, as a nurse, I have to avoid this so that my family at home does not get the impacts of this negative energy. Next, have a essence of empathy. Of course, a valuable asset for a nurse has a essence of empathy. Empathy that is born will lead to totality in work. For example, the heart is happier, feels more alive, is more grateful for exceeding hell. Of course, the attitude and behavior toward other people becomes friendlier, be more careful with stances to patients, and of course will be a pleasant nurse for the patients because the patients feels comfortable with nurses sincere empathy born from the heart. Next, loyal at work. The working hours of a nurse are no less busy than that of a doctor. Nurses also have busy working hours, so loyalty is needed at work. Loyalty to work like this must be ready to have. If you don't have work loyalty, be ready to work overtime at any time so that there is no need to force yourself to be a nurse. So for those of you who want to enter nursing because of prestige, because of friend, and because of parents, it's needed to be retro. Okay. Next, throat and the toilet. Of course, must have a soul of throatness and the tail. Like the duties of nurse, they are required to record the progress of the patients from horse to horse, from day to day. Always report any of their changes in medical record. 3 4 from the beginning, getting used to being through and the toilet is important and necessary. If you have a clumsy habit, it can be changed from now on due to errors in recording patient's progress alone. It can make it difficult inform doctors to make further diagnosis. Next, work according to the SOP. Next is to work in accordance with the SOP, regardless of all the responsibilities of a nurse. Of course, a nurse does not work on her own terms. Instead, it works in an accordance with the SOP that has been enforced. This is a form of code of ethics form for a nurse where the work based on the existing code of ethics. This code of ethics is used as a reference and standardization in work. Thus are some tips to be a good and professional nurse. At least you can prepare these methods in advance before becoming a real nurse. Of course, being a nurse is a noble job. Okay, thank you.